Welcome to the South Africa portal. In this video, we will show you how to check Walter Sisulu University WSU online application status 2027 with ease. Before we continue, make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. If you've applied to Walter Sisulu University for the 2027 academic year, one of the most important steps after submitting your application is tracking your admission status. Staying updated helps you know whether your application is successful, still under review, or requires additional action. This guide walks you through everything you need to know about checking your WSU online application status quickly and correctly. Understanding the WSU application status process. After submitting your application to Walter Sisulu University, your details go through different stages of review. The university evaluates your academic records, verifies documents, and determines whether you meet the requirements for your chosen program. Your application status may not update immediately, so patience is key. However, checking regularly ensures you don't miss important updates or requests. Step-by-step guide to check your WSU status. Follow these simple steps. Visit the official application status portal, enter your student number or ID number, provide any additional required details, such as surname, click the submit or check status button, wait for your application result to display on the screen, ensure you have a stable internet connection when accessing the portal. Official WSU application status portal. To check your application status, use only the official WSU tracking page below, right pointing finger emoji, https://status.wsu.ac.za/status/statuscheck php. Make sure you enter your details exactly as used during your application to avoid errors. Common WSU application status messages explained. When you check your status, you may see different messages. Here's what they typically mean. Application received. Your application has been successfully submitted and is being processed pending review. Your application is still under evaluation. Provisionally accepted. You meet initial requirements, but final approval may still be pending. Accepted. Congratulations. You've been offered admission. Rejected. Unfortunately, your application was not successful. Documents outstanding. Some required documents are missing or need verification. Important tips when checking your status: double check your ID or student number before submitting. Use a personal device to avoid login issues. Check your email regularly for updates from the university. Avoid using unofficial websites for status checks. Be patient during peak application periods. What to do after checking your status. Once you've confirmed your application outcome, if accepted, follow the instructions provided to secure your admission. If provisionally accepted, submit any required documents immediately. If rejected, consider applying for alternative programs or institutions. If your status hasn't changed for a long time, continue checking periodically. Thank you for watching. If this video helps you, make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. For more updates on universities, fit colleges, nursing, jobs, bursaries, internships, learnerships, apprenticeships, careers, government updates, opportunities, scholarships, and lifestyle in South Africa and beyond, kindly visit www.southafricaportal.com.